Star. Oh, hello, Earl. Have a good day at school.
Thanks, Mom. Goodbye.
I need to fill your body first, Earl.
Oh, no need, Mom. I already filled up with my juice.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute, that's just...
Ow! Well, it's not really lemonade. No! You can't have some. They're not lemonade.
Well, can I?
No!
Well, okay, fine, but please, I want